In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Shopify product page. Bullet points make your product descriptions easier to scan, especially on mobile, and help highlight key benefits and features your customers care about. Let's walk through the process from your Shopify admin so you can add clean, consistent bullets in just a few clicks. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the main navigation on the left, select Products. This takes you to your full product list, where you can see everything currently in your store. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the product you want to update. Open the product you'd like to edit. Inside the product editor, find the description section. This is where all of your product copy lives. If the formatting toolbar looks short or minimal, expand it by clicking the 3 dots labeled More Options in the corner of the description toolbar. That reveals additional formatting controls you'll need for this task. In the expanded toolbar, click the bulleted list icon. It's the one that looks like a vertical set of dots with lines next to them. This tells the editor that the text you're about to enter should be formatted as a bulleted list. If you already have lines of text that you want to convert into bullets, simply highlight those lines first, then click the bulleted list icon to transform them instantly. Now add your text to create your bulleted list. Keep each bullet short and focused. Think one clear idea per line. Lead with benefits when you can, and use consistent phrasing so the list reads smoothly. Press enter to add a new bullet. Each new line becomes its own point. If you need to end the list and go back to normal text, press enter again on an empty bullet to exit the list format. A quick tip: aim for 3 to 7 bullets for most products to keep things skimmable without overwhelming shoppers. When you're happy with how everything reads, click Save in the top right corner of the product editor. That commits your changes to the product page. Most Shopify themes will style your bullets automatically, so the spacing and appearance may vary slightly depending on your theme's design. If something looks off after saving, it's usually just theme styling and not an issue with your text. And that's it. You've added clear, customer-friendly bullet points to your product description, helping shoppers